Okay, those of you who've been watching through the whole series of episodes, you saw earlier on in episode 2 or 3 where I had unloaded the car from the car hauler and was going through the parts and what I was missing. I showed you this panel here, which is the rear window panel, where the window crank goes here and the window goes up and down. Hello, welcome to my video. I've been trying to go through all the parts to figure out if I have everything and what I'm missing. I know I'm missing a door panel, which here's one right here. This little door panel. There's 2 of these. This one, I think, is on that side of the rear window crank here. And there's another one on this side, the driver's side, that is missing and are difficult to find. I've already been searching for one of those for a few years. I was missing one of these, and I mentioned it in the video. If anybody knows where I could get one, happened to go to a local, saw it in the online, and this guy had some wheels for sale, Model A wheels, and I looked over there on the ground and this panel was laying there, and he's like, yeah, that's pretty rusty, nobody wants that, he's just gonna throw it away. And I was like, I actually need one of those, but I'm not sure which side that one is and which side I need. So he just threw it in, and it's like, okay. I get home, and of course, it's the exact same panel I already had, and this one is actually pretty rough. Could be usable, but it has a portion of the window crank on the back side too, but it's missing the lever arms and everything. So I mentioned it in one of the videos, and a good friend now out in the other coast said, hey, I think I have one of those in my garage on a project I did. And he said, I could ship it to you. So that's what I wanna, we worked it out, and I knew it was gonna be a lot to ship. And said I would pay the shipping, and he shipped it to me. So over the weekend, I actually found it out on my porch, the delivery guy. And see what we got. I noticed from the shipping, some of the sharp points had poked through, like that part right there. And, this is my original. You can see it's small to large, and this is the other side, which, so they go, I think they go in the car like that, which this would be passenger side, and I needed the driver's side. So this is a driver's side. It's actually 2 driver's sides, and in pretty good shape. So, thanks, Sonny, for shipping them to me and donating them to the project, actually. And they're in pretty good shape. About as good as my original one, at least. And it's the right side that I needed. The driver's side rear window crank panel. And I really appreciate that. And props go up to him. He is a U.S. Marine Corps Vietnam veteran, And my dad was a Vietnam veteran too, so we got to talking a little bit, and I really appreciate it. So thanks, and thanks to Sonny and his generosity and his time in the service during, I think he said it was 64 to 66. He was in Vietnam and was a Marine Corpsman, which is like a paramedic. And it was really nice to meet him. It would be nice one day to actually meet him in person, but we got to talk a little bit on the phone. He also, similar to my dad, has hearing problems, hearing aids. So I told him I tried to, on each video, do the closed captioning. So if you turn the closed captioning on, you can read the words at the bottom, and tried to check those over to make sure the words are actually correct too. And so anyways, thanks everybody, and keep watching.